Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today is some kind of a good day for your cryptocurrency. Okay, it's looking green, looking bullish. In any other way, it's just a part of a consolidation phase. Okay, looking at your. Let's go on Bitcoin first. Yeah, because this one is a really nice chart right here. Let's go on a daily so you can see some much better view of this beautiful pattern right here, but it doesn't breaking out yet. So this is an inverse head and shoulders to me right here. So I don't know if this is a complete head and shoulders, or is this a head and shoulders pattern right here that this is your, it's gonna be your shoulder, head, and then shoulder. If it breaks out, then yeah, it can come back up right here. Of course, this is just a technical analysis based on the charts, and if you measure the move of this, yeah, you can get around somewhere this level area, 72,000, or even here 71,000. But technical speaking, let's go on in a weekly time frame. I'm just and I analyze this chart based on history. So where we are right now, we are kind of right here. Okay, looking at this, before the death cross of Bitcoin, we try to retest those highs again. Okay, so if we have a massive move right here because some Fomo kick in because they think the bear market is over, then we can expect some retest to this level around 68 to 69,900 or 70,000 US dollar for Bitcoin. Yeah, we can go straight up right there, and everyone got FOMO, but the reality kicks in and the prices will go lower in the next couple of months, especially by September. Yeah, that's just my idea. Don't get me wrong about that. Okay, how can I prove that I am right here, or I'm just giving you something? No, look at your US dollar dominance here. The proof that Bitcoin and other cryptos may rise in this couple of days or weeks, because looking at this chart, it looks like it US dollar dominance is going to come back down and try to retest this 20 EMA right here, or even lower, this 50 EMA right here. What's my basis by that? Here, look at this chart right here. I believe that we are kind of right here in this moment. As you see, this is done. Yeah, we already seen that. Okay, you already seen that, like that. Yeah, you see that, and maybe we are kind of here. So what really happens there is that we try to come back down here, retest this 50 EMA right here. Okay, but it got supported and still the prices goes up. So I'm expecting the same thing here, that maybe we can come back down here and we try to retest this maybe in a couple of days or even in higher prices if the war is really coming back. Because do your own research, US and Iran war is officially back, so we have to be cautious about that. Okay, I hope you see what I see here. I hope you see what I saw. Very identical patterns here. Very identical patterns here. Maybe shorter, or maybe this one right here will not be identical in the next couple of months. Okay, so we can come back down or even pump higher. I don't know. So let's gonna talk about that when that happens. But all I know in the shorter move, that this one has a potential move to the downside, so that will make us our crypto pump, not that high, but looking at this XRP chart, it could pump back up right here. to your 1.4 level, trying to retest this resistance right here and then coming back down here. Okay, so I still believe that maybe we found the bottom for XRP, but of course my 0.96 target is still on the radar. Okay, that's for your XRP move. Looking at your XLM. Okay, XLM is looking strong, still holding this previous resistance. Now it's gonna be your support right here. So let's make this right here. There, your 0.16 is now your support. So looking at this chart, okay, XLM has a potential major drop to this level area of this trend line, this 0.12. I don't know if it's gonna happen. I hope not, but there's a possible chance here. Anything can happen in crypto, you know. So looking at this chart, look at your daily time frame here. Yep, there you go. And as you all can see here, if this one breaks to the upside, because I'm talking that we are going to the upside, I'm going to measure this like here. Okay, and I'm gonna expect some 0.27 price target for your XLM before it comes back down, right? So if it comes back up right here, maybe we can see some, yeah, somewhere like that move pattern right there. Okay, but if it continues to go up, then that's good, really good. Okay, now let's go on another token. This is SUI. Okay, so it's still holding strong to this support line here. It's still holding strong, especially looking at this candlestick right here. It's a reversal candlestick. Then I waiting that it may come back and retest this 20 EMA right here around 0.95 US dollar, because more in our cryptos looking at this inverse head and shoulders right here, right? So if I'm gonna measure this move right here, it's not breaking up yet, but if it breaks, we can measure this move right here, and this one is 0.89 US dollar for your SUI. Okay, that's your measured move here. Again, H bar, yeah, H bar is now maybe completing this support trend line right here, and I am seeing a bottom for H bar, because as you all can see here, multiple touches in this area. Okay, so this one, and this one, and now we are currently right here. Okay, if it closes in a weekly time frame right here, maybe we can see some reversal. Okay, here's another one that I am looking, one of my favorite. This is injective protocol. I want its burning mechanism, by the way. Okay, so we are holding strong on this support, this $4 area right here. Okay, I won't elaborate this because I already said that in my past video. You can recheck that. Now let's take a look at the major cryptocurrencies like Solana. Okay, here's your Solana right here. Just like I've said, it looks like the same as this one right over here, right? Maybe we are currently right here. So maybe we are currently right here right now. Okay, this is your daily time frame. This is a double bottom and it breaks to the upside. Maybe we can still come back up right here, somewhere like that, and find its bottom. Okay, that's just my idea for your Solana. Looking at this on a weekly time frame here, yeah, it looks like we are going to have this ascending triangle right here. So maybe we can consolidate in this region right here. Okay, creating this before the breakout to the upside when the time comes. Okay, so next one is your AVAX. Still looking for AVAX here. Okay, this is a bullish pennant right here, still consolidating inside this, and if it pumps right here, okay, this is also inverse head and shoulders, not confirmed. Not confirmed here. Yup. But if it breaks to the upside, I'm gonna expect something around this level area right here. $8 mark for your AVAX, okay, if it really pumps right there. So wait for confirmation that your candlestick is breaking this neckline, and then the confirmation candle that it will stay above to avoid fake outs, okay, before you enter, before you place your targets, okay, even higher. So until then, there's still possible chance that it may get rejected here and then come back down right here or even lower. Okay, we're still in a bear market. Don't get fooled by those moon boys or whatsoever. Okay, don't listen to the noise, always do your own research. Okay, this is your money, this is your risk, it's all on you. We're just trying to show you technicals, or some people will just mislead you. So always do your own research, focus on yourself, plan your trades, then trade your plan accordingly. Don't put all the money that you can't afford to lose in this game, because this game may get you wrecked. Okay, so that's all. Hope learn. Please give me a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get updated. God bless and bye bye.